Namaskar everyone. So in this video I'm going to draw a very beautiful drawing of giraffe with color pencils. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first color that I am using is brown. I am using Faber-Castell color pencils, but you can use any color pencils. Color the patches on giraffe's skin very deeply. Don't leave them light. So repeat the same process unless you complete coloring the patches on the giraffe skin. So repeat the same process. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. Don't do it lightly, do the patches on the giraffe skin very deeply. Make the similar patterns as shown in the video. Color its mane too with brown color pencil. So now I am using medium yellow color pencil. This is medium yellow. Apply medium yellow color on the giraffe's body very lightly. Don't apply pressure. Do it very lightly. So apply this color on the whole body of giraffe. Don't leave any space. Apply it on whole body. Don't apply any pressure. Do it with very less pressure. So for the second layer, I am using orange color pencil with very light pressure. Apply this on the whole body, the same as you did with medium yellow. So apply it in on whole body. Now I am using black color pencil. For the tail, I am using medium yellow color and orange color as shown in the video. So follow the same process as shown in the video. So now I'm again using black color pencil. So this mane also with the black color. So I'm doing the outline with black color pencil. And now for the tail, I'm using brown and black color. So now I'm using black color. Apply pressure wherever required to make it a little darker. So follow the same process as shown in the video. So now currently I'm using black color. For the eyes too, I'm using black color pencil. Outline its body too with black color pencil, as you can see now. So now to blend the colors, I am using white color pencil, but if you don't have white color pencil, you can also use a cotton bud dipped in baby oil. but I'm using the most simplest thing. Do it with pressure, don't do it lightly. Sharp your pencils whenever required. Blend the whole body with white color pencil. Now again I'm using brown color pencil for some minute shadings and for the ears. So for the little bird, I'm using ultramarine blue and medium yellow color. So this is black color now. Medium yellow and black. So I'm shading some of the areas of giraffe skin with black color pencil, sorry. For the small plants and trees, I'm using dark green and light green. Now I'm using light green. For the leaves, black. For the branches, I'm using brown color pencil. If you don't have brown, you can also use black. So now I'm using dark green color and light green color too. Light green. So I'm not doing any detailing work in the trees and leaves. I'll make another video on detailings of it. Okay. For the fruits, I'm using primary red or red color pencil. Do it with pressure. This is light green color pencil. Light green, brown. For the ground, I'm using dark green color. So this is dark green color pencil. I will also use light green color. So now this is light green color pencil. Again, I'm using black color pencil for the branches. Now brown, followed by dark green and light green color pencils. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. This is orange color pencil for some more fruits. For the final shading, I'm again using orange color pencil. Do it with very light pressure. Don't apply pressure. So this is a final layer with orange color. For the final touch up, I'm again using brown color pencil. Sharp your pencils whenever required. Do this final thing also with pressure. Apply pressure. So by this, our drawing is completed. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. So let's meet in next video.